We're looking at grade 4 scales. Now, in the previous video, I just did A flat major, which is the major scale with 4 flats, B, E, A, and D. We're now looking at the relative minor one that goes with it. So here's the A flat major. Now, I end on A flat. If we walk back 3 notes, that brings us to F. And that's the scale that we need. Right, F minor starts on a white note. So let's do the right hand first. Always easier to do a scale that starts on a white note with the right hand, I think. So we need to put in those 4 flats, B, E, A, D. There they are. So let's just look at what the natural minor would be first of all. So remember, the natural minor is what I call just the plain one, like natural yogurt with no bells and whistles. Okay, first of all. So a natural minor would be this. It's like A flat major, which was that. But instead of starting there, we start on F. And we get this. I'll show you that again. So it goes F, G, A flat, B flat, C is next. Then you do 2 flats. And then as with F major, you then take your thumb under again. Then 2 flats, thumb under, then Now, that isn't actually what we're going to do in the exam. We're going to do something very much like that. That's the starting point. But it's going to have a raised 7th, what I call the jam, the extra thing that's added to it. So whichever note is the 7th must be moved up. That's the rule for a harmonic minor. This is an extra thing that we're putting in. It's not part of the key signature, but it is a part of the scale that we're playing, a harmonic minor scale. So it would work like this. So there's the 4 flats, but that E flat there is the 7th note. So it'll get moved up, making it an E natural. So we'll get this. 2 flats, thumb under, D flat. Then here's the stretched bit. See my 3rd finger going on E, thumb under, another white note, 2 flats, thumb on C, D flat. So instead of E flat, E natural and an F. Then we come back the other way, 4 on the B flat, then 3 on the E, then a D flat, then a thumb, 4 on the B flat. I'll show you that again. So that fingering is the same as F major. Do you remember when we used to do F major? You had different fingering to ordinary scales. Instead of going 1, 2, 3, thumb, it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then you finish it, and then 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4. The reason I mention it is this scale, the F minor, has the same fingering, but instead of just being the B flat, you've now got your A flat, your D flat, and then the E flat's raised up onto there. So we get this. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then add an extra note to finish. Show you again. So just think about the 4s and 3s. So those 2 flats and that one and the stretch from there to there. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, thumb, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then remember that's an extra finger at the end. Then it'll go 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3 on an E, 4 on the B flat. Here it is again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're just going to try and add the left hand under it. Because of the different fingering, this this is just a sort of scale that can go a bit wrong. So let's look at what the key points are. Start with the little finger there. Now, one of the things that's going to happen is your thumbs will coincide quite a bit in this scale, so that's useful. So we start here like that, white note, 2 black notes, and then thumbs. This wouldn't normally happen in an ordinary scale, starting on a white note. Then you bring a 3 over. Now the next note is not E flat, it's E, because the raised 7th, and then thumbs. So here we are, halfway, thumbs. Then you bring a 4 over, 2 black notes, thumbs on the C, then bring a 3 over, so not on an E flat, an E, and there's our last note, and that's right, look, we've got 4, so you've got 4 at the top, thumb there, so coming back, so we've done that one, then we walk down a note onto E, Now the next note is it's going to be D flat, and then thumbs onto the C's. 4 over up here, another black note. Now do not turn, keep going, G, then you turn, thumbs on the F. 3 over onto E natural, then a little stretch to the D flat, thumbs, 4 over, and then, okay, I'll show you one more. So, 2 black notes, thumbs on C's, 3 over, stretch the E, thumbs, 4 over, 2 black notes, thumbs, 3 over, stretch the E, and F them straight back. Bring your thumb under, thumbs, 4 over. Don't turn, just keep going, Now thumbs, then 3 over. D flat next, thumbs, 4 over. So there it is. So you'll need to be able to do it a lot faster, something like that. And that should be forte or piano or legato or staccato, 4 different versions.